would you feel if a man publicly went down on one knee to propose to you in front of a crowd? Well, that's exactly what happened to this young Zulu maiden. In Zulu tradition, the reed dance is a day of beauty, dignity, and pride, where maidens celebrate purity and culture. But just as the ceremony ended and people were heading home, something unexpected happened. A man, old enough to be her father, suddenly stopped and knelt before this young maiden. Right there in front of hundreds, he proposed to her. It was emotional, surprising, and a little funny too. A moment that added an unexpected spark to an already unforgettable day, as the crowd looks on and laughs. In a culture where family elders usually handle marriage negotiations, a public proposal like this is rare and unforgettable.
Hello, welcome to Avadada TV. I would like you to comment, share, like, and also subscribe.